so the audio didn't record in this, but so this is the new exhaust right here. I don't know the brand. I put the brand on the screen. Then this is the old exhaust. This is a Borla Performance, Ford Performance Borla exhaust, and the other thing is so much bigger than this thing. Now it literally deletes the muffler. But so I've already did some of the work underneath this video here. So there's an X pipe down there. Like I said, that's where the Ford Performance Borla comes with. So I had to take off some of those clamps there. I think I already installed one on here already. Let's see what am I doing here. All right, yeah. So here, there's one already there. I believe I installed one already. Yeah. So there's a clamp I had to take off, and then there's a new one hooked in the bracket. You gotta take the bracket off to get the exhaust off. So yeah, there's I think there's 2 10 or 8 millimeters, and you take them out, and then that just pulls down after you push up on the clamp, the exhaust clamp. I mean, not the clamp, bracket, and then it pulls off.
Sucks it back in for a couple seconds.
Hop back in.
Huh?
Hop in.
I'm filthy, dude. I'm
Get
dirty.